Alright guys, so here is how to remove community on your PC. So if you are on your PC and you can see these community tabs right here, there are more of them if you click on this forward arrow. There are so many of them. Now to remove all this community from displaying on this area, all you need to do is to click on this plus icon next to the last community name. Click on the plus icon. Now it's going to bring you to this area. Now you notice I have so many of the community. So since I want to remove all of them, I no longer want to see them. All I need to do is to do edit and then remove them. But if you still want to keep seeing the community content, you can actually arrange them from top to bottom. Just drag and position wherever you want to have it. But for this video, I want to remove all of them because that is actually the question that was asked on a comment. So to remove all this from your tab, click on edit and then you click this minus button. Just keep clicking on it until the end of them. Then this this is social and this is soccer and tech. This is not a community. I am going to leave that. I am going to also explain how to have that added for you. So if you are done, click on done and then close this out. You might have to refresh if it doesn't update, but you can see they are no longer displaying. All of the community has left. So this, guys, is actually how to remove community tab from your timeline on PC. All right, I hope this video is helpful. If it is, share it with your friends, subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Peace.